Okay guys, so now we're gonna start the process of taking it all apart, but first I'm gonna clean it so it's not dusty and the paint goes well on it. And I'll show you guys the tools that you need. So right now he's checking the tools that he needs to take it all apart. But I'll probably link it down in the description box, that way you guys know exactly what you need.
Yeah, happy neck.
You're what?
A happy daddy.
Oh my goodness.
First I gotta take one out, I don't know yet.
Okay guys, so what you're gonna need is
a flat screwdriver and pliers.
And pliers.
Smaller pliers would have been a lot easier, but that's all I had at the moment. Made it work.
That, and then the way it was is that those two were holding on to the back of the thing.
And so first you gotta take the back off before the front.
Okay.
Take the back off. These go in there. I don't want to put it in, but they snap in there. Then they twist them, and it holds it in there so it can't pull out.
Yeah.
But if you do the front first, you can't do the front first. You gotta do the back first. Once that's loose, these snap in. Then you can pop the top front off.
Yes. Okay. Awesome. So now then we're gonna take that one apart, clean it up, because we got this one at the flea market for like $20, and it's really dusty. So now we just have to clean it up. Okay, so my husband just gave me a big tip. So if you're gonna be, what's this called? Sanding. You have to go the same way. So like if I'm gonna go like this, I have to go all the way like that, and not like this and then like that, because it's gonna show on the paint job. So I'm just gonna go this way. He said he recommends he go like up and down.
With the grain.
With the what?
With the grain.
With the grain.
You can already see their lines. So if you go this way, it's gonna make it look like it's.
Oh. Follow Brent Bunton for more tips. So this is gonna be the beige color, and all the red parts are gonna be blue. And we did tape up all the tires. You have to do it all around, that way they stay black. Because the spray paint might go everywhere. So here's the before.
You gotta shake these a good 3 to 5 minutes.
3 to 5 minutes. It says you have to shake this for a good 2 to 3 minutes.
Yeah. Once you start hearing that ball inside, then you're good. Or it won't spray you good. Here's your glass.
So this is how you do it, up and down.
And stay away at least 6 to 8 inches.
Stay away 6 to 8 inches.
See the lines? You don't want no lines in there, so you gotta be even.
I mean, it does smell strong.
Oh yeah. Do not do it in the house.
It should be done outside. Okay, so this is the product that we ended up doing. And I got this license plate at Walmart, and then this one we still have to find like a little string to make it look more like real, like it's tied up in there. And this one we found it at Hobby Lobby. It's like a wall decor thing, but it's like the easiest thing we were able to find at the moment. So that's what it looks like. And if we add any other little details, I might take this off, by the way, so it looks more real, and add a little bit more details. But this is it for now, and in our next video is going to be his birthday party vlog. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.